This conference will now be recorded.
So actually today is 11th session I think, or 12th session, I don't know. I think 12th session, yeah. So actually on that day I was busy in some stuff. So we were discussing automatic memory management. So with this, today we will discuss about automatic memory management for both SGA and PGA instance. So we know that when we are using automatic memory management, so we need to set two parameters. So the parameter is show parameter memory underscore. So here these two parameter we need to set. Memory target is basically when we set it will enable the automatic memory management, and the memory max target you can set or you cannot set, but you want to maximize memory target, so you should have set memory max target greater than memory target, so that later if you required you can increase the memory target value up to memory max target value. Beyond memory max target you cannot go actually. Okay. So we had some query. By that, you will get about maximum PGA allocation, PGA aggregate target, or SGA target. Okay. So if you are going to execute this query, so this is the query. Here, maximum PGA is allocated 38 bytes, PG aggregate is 50 byte, and SGA target is not set. So that's why it is not showing any value. Okay. My voice is low. Mm, it's high actually. Yeah, it's full. And after that, how much memory target is required? So you have another query for that. You will execute this. So oh, why it's come like this? Just a second. So let me clear this. So here I'm executing this query. So this is my memory target 503316,480. Okay, so this is actually, so according to that I can set memory max target up to 6 GB. So this is not a dynamic parameter, so that's why I'm using scope is equal to sp5. And after that memory target I'm giving 5 GB, but I don't want right now to change memory target, so that's why I'm giving scope is equal to sp file, but this is a dynamic parameter, so you can change in running instance also. But I want to this value comes after we bounce the database. So this is done. And then if suppose we had set PGA underscore target, so we will make it 0. And also if SGA target is set, then we will make it as a 0. Okay, so we do these things, and after that we will bounce the database. So we have many options for bouncing the database, but I will go with this option, shut down immediate. Okay. And after that we will start up the database again when it comes bouncing is when closed. So you guys have anyone done this before in your testing environment or in your production environment? Anyone? Let me know. Excuse me. Anybody, guys? Okay, not replying, no issues. So now database is open. So we can check show parameter memory uh, under memory underscore. So see that this is 6 GB and 5 GB. Okay, and show parameter PGA underscore. So PG aggregate target is 0, and the PG aggregate limit will take the value of this memory max target actually. Okay, so that's why it is showing. And after that, you will execute this query from v dollar memory underscore dynamic underscore components. So see that your shared pool current size is this, your large pool's current size is this, SGA target is this, default buffer cache is this, shared pool is this, and PGA target is this. Okay, so show parameter SGA underscore. So see that SGA target is 0, but actually SGA max size I set uh, uh, before yesterday session, so that's why it is showing. So actually your automatic memory management is enabled by memory target, and your automatic shared memory management by SGA target. So you need to check only those two values, whether it is a 0 or whether it has some values. Okay, and also you can go, suppose you don't know how much memory target you will set your database. So there is a query for that, select star from v dollar memory target advise. So it will advise you your memory. So if you do this memory, your memory size factor is zero point 0.5 and estimated database time is 70. If you go with 3200, then it is 0.625. So like that, you will go actually and choose the best one, which is good for you guys. Okay, so this memory advice is there. And also we know that memory underscore target is a dynamic parameter, so I can set it's 4 GB also, because earlier we set 5 GB. Now I can reduce. So if you can check again, show parameter target. So see that now it is okay. Sorry, my bad, because I use scope is equal to SP file, so that's why it's showing like this. So let me go with this. Now check again. So see that 4 GB is there. So this dynamic parameter you can change in a running instance, guys. Clear? Any questions? So this is the way uh, you actually change memory target in running instance, but you can change up to memory max target actually. Beyond that value you can't go. So up to 6 GB you can increase. So this is the way you can set automatic memory management in your database, guys. Any questions? Okay, Now, second concept is automatic shared memory management for SDA. So first of all, you will check your current SDA size in your database. So there is a V dollar $SDA stat. So it is saying that current SDA size is 140 MB. And after that, you will check from V dollar $SDA info for maximum SDA sizes. So this is the query. So it's same actually. And after that, you will check what is your memory max target. So already we know that it is a 6 GB. Okay, and after that, you will check total PGA allocated to your database. So there is a view v dollar PGA stat actually. So current PGA in use is 112 MB, and after that maximum PGA allocated for your database. So you can check v dollar PGA stat also. So that is 161 MB, and after that you will check aggregate PGA target parameter from v dollar PGA stat. So that I will check it is 2688 MB. Get reset scope is equal to SP file, and after that you are saying memory target reset. So again I'm saying scope is equal to SP file, and then SZA max size I'm setting 1400 M actually. So this is done, and then SZA target I am setting 1000 MB. So this is done, but everything I want after bouncing. So that's why I'm using scope is equal to SP file, whether the parameter is dynamic or whether parameter is static. And also PG aggregate target I am setting 480 M. And after that I will shut down the database, and then I will start the database. Got it, guys? So from automatic memory management to automatic shared memory management, these are the steps you have to perform. Anyone had performed this step? Guys, please answer. I don't know why you guys are not replying. If you are busy in your office work, then that is okay. That is acceptable. But if you are only for this session, so at least respond in the chat box. So now I have started. Now I will check memory parameters. So memory max target and memory target is actually gone zero. So my automatic memory management is not enabled, right? And you can check SGA also. Okay, so SGA is SGA target is 1000 M, and SGA max size is 1400 M. So now SGA is enabled actually. Sorry, SGA is not enabled. ASMM is enabled. And actually, I miss before changing. I need to see the values, and after changing, it changed actually. So sorry for that. So in morning video you can check. I perform this command before changing to ASMM, and after changing ASMM I execute this command. So this is basically check the memory segment. So IPCS is the command. How many person knows this command, guys? And df-h. So this component is used actually for your memory. Yeah, guys. How many had used IPCS, or how many knows this command? See, guys, if you want not to answer. So in next batch, please say to me. So after that, I will not ask any questions. Okay, leave it. That is not a good practice. I'm sorry to say that. Then manual shared memory management for the SGA. So manual shared memory management, if you want, so you need to set SGA target is 0, because right now ASMM is enabled. So I will not go with memory target equals to 0 because it is already 0. So only I will set SGA target is this, and I will set shared pool sizes for 2 to 4 MB, and then DB cache size I will set 100 MB. Okay, and after that just check the SGA before shutting down the things. Okay, and memory also. And if suppose it is this value is not minimal, so you will get an error actually. Okay, so let me show you the query of dynamic components. So this is the query. So here shared pool is 2642, and large pool is also there, default buffer cache is there, and share to pool IO is there. Okay, because we know that mandatory component is shared pool, database buffer cache, redo log buffer. So let me check that also, because log underscore buffer will not comes in automatic memory components. Okay, now I'm shutting down the instance, and if the parameter of DB cache or shared pool memory is less with minimal memory, so it will give an error and it will not start the database. Okay, so just wait for startup. So startup. Yeah, perfect. So it's perfect. Now check again the query of v dollar sga underscore dynamic underscore component views. So I am executing this query. So see that now it's changed. Here pool is 234881024 bytes. Default buffer cache is 964689992. Shared IO pool is like that. Earlier it was different, guys, right? So see that it was 50, it was 70, it was 264. So now here it's changed. Okay, and we already checked that show parameter SGA underscore. So see that. So here SGA's target is 0. So it means automatic shared memory is not enabled, and this is manual actually. Okay, here. Now automatic PGA memory management for the instance. So while using automatic memory management, PGA memory is allocated based upon the value of memory underscore target. In case you enable automatic shared memory management or manual shared memory management, you also implicitly enable automatic PGA memory management. So, automatic or manual PG memory management is decided by one parameter, which is work area underscore size underscore policy. So, let me check this parameter what it is actually. So this is auto. Okay, so it can be manual or it can be auto, and this is a session and system level parameter. It can take two values, manual and auto, or default is auto. So when you are using automatic memory management, you set a target size for the instance PGA by defining value for the parameter which named is PGA aggregate target. Okay, so let me check what is here. So here 480M, we already said that actually. And sizing of SQL work area is automatic, and all star underscore area underscore size initialization parameters are ignored for this session actually. So this feature is available from 9i, and at any given time the total amount of PGA memory available to active work areas on the instance is automatically derived from the PGA aggregate target. Okay, so this amount is set to the value of PGA aggregate target minus the PGA memory allocated for the purpose like session memory. So the resulting PJ memory is then allotted to individual active work area based on their specific memory requirement. So what are those areas actually? So we have sort area, we have hash area, we have bitmap merge area, and we have create bitmap area. So let me show you all the parameters. So that's why I said that star underscore area underscore size. So this is the first parameter. Show parameter sort area underscore size. Second parameter is hash area underscore size, and third parameter is bitmap merge. Actually it is used for when you are using is, so see that. And then show parameter, uh, next is create bitmap area size actually. So this is, so all these area sizes need not to be set when you are setting this work area size policy. Okay, and the last one for the instance PGA. In case you wish to manually specify the maximum work area size for each type of SQL operator like sort or hash join, then you can enable PGA memory management and set work area size value to manual, and also specify all these area sizes like sort area size, hash area size, bitmap merge area size, and create bitmap area sizes. Okay, but as we know that from Oracle 11G onwards, this manual management is also available. But Oracle is strongly recommend that you leave automatic PGA memory management. Okay, so that is Oracle recommendation. So these are all the cases of my automatic memory management, guys. Understood? Any questions, guys? Please ask if you have any question. Yeah, guys. Okay, Rajiv is saying not yet. Other guys. Just give me 2 minutes. So, what is automatic shared memory management principle, and what is SGA background process which is responsible for automatic memory management, and what are auto tune parameters, and what is resize manual actually. So, boss, just give me 2 minutes. Okay, so as we know that SGA background process is actually so that is MMAN. MMAN basically serve as the SGA memory broker and coordinates the size of the memory component. And the SGA memory broker keeps track the sizes of the components and pending resize operation. Okay, and auto tune parameters are shared pool, actually database buffer cache, Java pool, large pool, stream pool. So these are auto tune parameter when you are enabling as a target, or when you are enabling memory underscore target. Okay, and these parameter will be resized. And manual SGA parameters are DB keep cache size, DB recycle cache size, and DB underscore 2K cache size, DB underscore 4K cache size, DB underscore 8K cache size, DB underscore 16K cache size, DB underscore 32 cache size. But DB underscore 8K we cannot set because that is my standard buffer cache actually. And log underscore buffer also comes in this category. Until 10.1 G, stream pool was also not in auto tune parameter, but in 10G release 2, it comes, stream pool is also included in that. Okay, so that is the concept of this. And the principle of automatic shared memory management is based upon workload information. Automatic shared memory tuning can happen. So capture statistics periodically in the background, so it will good for your tuning. Use the different memory advisors. So we had SG underscore target underscore advice. Let me check whether this is v dollar SG underscore target underscore advice. Yeah, so that like memory underscore target underscore advice. This view will also tell about this. And uh, moves memory to where it is most needed. Okay, and you can use SP file for better management. Okay, so suppose if you had a large OLTP jobs, so during the day that require large buffer cache, and runs parallel batch jobs at night, so that require large values of the buffer pool. So DBA would have to simultaneously configure both the buffer cache and large pool to accommodate their peak requirement. So that we need to take care of that. Clear, guys? Any questions? What is Aura 4031 error, guys? Anyone face that? Aura 4031. So basically, this error is raised when memory is unavailable for use or reuse in SGA. So this error message will indicate the memory pool getting errors and high level information about what kind of allocation failed and how much memory was enabled, so you can analysis that. So the error might be caused by SEO components too small for workload, and auto tuning issues maybe is the problem, and fragmentation due to application design, or maybe it is a bug or leaks in memory allocation. Okay, so whenever Aura 403 error, one error occurs, a trace file is raised and noted in the alert log file. And if process experiencing the error is a background process, so user process may experience errors without reports in the alert or trace generated. So v dollar shared underscore pool underscore reversed view will show reports of misses for memory over the life of the database. So we need to check this view also if you are getting this error. Okay, so this view will helpful to diagnose the problem. Clear, guys? Any questions? Yeah, guys. So, if you don't have any question, then I'm stopping here. So, that is all about automatic memory management, automatic shared memory management, then manual SZA management, and then automatic PGA management, and then manual PGA management. Okay. And yeah, dynamic SGA I have already covered, right? In first session, I think I covered, right? Okay. Any questions, guys? If no question, then we will cover control file chapter in next day, because morning class is now one class ahead. So today I had covered control underscore sorry control file chapter, and I will upload today. so you can go through to that, or maybe tomorrow I will upload, so you can go through that. So it's my request to everyone, check both the sessions. Actually, sometimes I miss something in morning, so I added in night, and sometime I miss in night, I added in morning. So both session you should have watch and make a notes for your practice purpose. That is my request. Otherwise, you will lose some information. Clear, guys? Sir, please script which you fired today. See, guys, I don't want to give this script actually, because you should watch, and this is the free session. So in free session, I will not provide anything. You just have a YouTube channel. You can watch and make a notes. If suppose I'm telling the theory, so I will upload actually on my Google Drive. Those who are in my CDB PDB batch, they can access. Okay, so I will upload there also if you required, guys. But that is not good for you. Okay, so if you want, I will upload a script on Google Drive. I will not upload on YouTube actually. Okay, but it is not a good practice, guys. So that's why I will not recommend you should copy paste command actually. For session, I want to save my time actually. That's why I use to write the commands for every session on Notepad. So from Notepad, I just copy and paste it. So to save the session time actually. Otherwise, my practice is to type the commands actually on running time, because it will I will learn actually according to that way. Something. Let me check if anything required more. Actually, just give me 1 second. I think in morning something I have taken. Uh, okay. Can anyone tell me, can we SGA resize occurring even though AMM and ASMM are disabled, guys? So actually, this is the bug of that, and that product version is 11.2. So we are not using actually 11.2. If anyone is using, so you can use actually latest version, because in 11G it happens SDA target and memory target was 0, but auto tuning of shared memory is still done actually. So that was actually the bug of the contents of that time actually, version of that. Hmm, what else is pending? So view already I covered V dollar SGA info, V dollar parameters, and suppose uh, there are some scenarios when ASMM using ASMM and when manual memory changes parameter happen. Suppose if auto tune parameter is increased in size above its minimum value, then the associated SGA components is immediately changed. Memory used in this case is taken away from one or more auto tune components. Manual tune components are not affected. Second case, if an auto tune parameter is decreased below its minimum value, the parameter is not immediately changed. MMAN, which is the process of doing this actually. So it uses automatic memory tuning algorithm that will later reduce the parameter as required. Okay. So if manual tune parameter is increased, the change will take effect immediately, and the memory will taken away from one or more automatically sized components. And second case, if manual tune memory is decreased, the change will take effect immediately and the memory will be added to the automatic size component. So these scenario you should consider if you are doing that actually. Clear, guys? Should I repeat this? Hello. Okay, you are not saying, so it means you got it. Perfect. So there is a query which you can check about resize operations. So let me execute this query. Oh, output is very unsymmetric order. Just hold on, and after that run the query again. So see that it is coming like that. So you can get the date also when it is changed or when it is not changed. So v dollar SGA resize ops. So uh, this query oh, this query will show that report. Okay, so let me post you this query. Second query, which is v dollar SGA also, but here this time date will not come actually. So see that. So these are the components with lowest megabytes and highest megabytes. So see that default buffer cache is lowest is 96 and highest is 1042, like that. Okay. Oh, sorry. What you said, SGA advice. Basically, just like as memory underscore target underscore advice, you can get this v dollar SGA underscore target underscore advice, like this. Select star from v dollar SGA underscore target underscore advice. So it will advise you actually. So right now there is no advice for SGA target. That's why it is not coming. Okay, clear, guys? And also this query I think showed or not. So yeah, So see that here it is saying static, it's saying grow, right? So it means uh, it is static, it is not, and see that shrinking. Okay, so like that it is showing grow. So like this you can get to know about this query. My bad. uh, Let me post you query again. Mm, yeah, so this is the query which just now I run it actually, and we know that we can decrease or increase auto tune parameter, but we cannot we have to set manual tune parameter, so you can go with that also. Okay, and the history of resize operation you can execute by this query. Okay, maybe some error actually is coming. I think space is there. Mm, let me correct. Mhm. Okay, leave it. I will check later. Uh, okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you. I'm stopping, and please watch it on my YouTube channel, that is Oracle Ride. If you feel it is a worth, so you can actually like it and comment it and subscribe it, and so that whenever I will upload the session, you will get the information, and also shared in your circle so that they will get the benefit of this free sessions which I'm taking from July onwards. Yeah, July. Okay, so thank you.